As the crisp air of autumn settles in, pizza lovers usually face a tough choice. Smoke-filled kitchens, bulky gas bottles, or lackluster homemade bakes. But what if the future of pizza came in a sleek, countertop-friendly design with zero smoke, zero gas, and full-on flavor? Enter the Ooni Volt 2. Ooni's newest electric pizza oven has slimmed down without losing its bite. The Volt 2 is 30% smaller than the original Volt 12, yet still big enough to take on a 13-inch pizza. That means more countertops can now double as your personal pizzeria. And with its modern glass and stainless steel design, it's not just a tool, it's a statement piece. Performance is where the Volt 2 truly shines. Electric heating elements roar up to 450 degrees Celsius in under 20 minutes. That's hot enough to blister a Neapolitan crust in just 90 seconds. And thanks to an edge-to-edge tempered glass window, you can watch your creation cook in real time. No heat lost, no guesswork required. New for 2025 is Ooni's Pizza Intelligence System. Think of it as autopilot for your pizza. It dynamically balances the top and bottom heating elements depending on the style you're making. New York slices, deep pan pies, or anything in between. No cold spots, no uneven cooks, just consistent, carbon-free crusts every single time. But this oven isn't limited to pizza. Switch to oven or grill mode and you're ready for roasted veggies, seared meats, or bubbling casseroles. There's even a dedicated dough proofing function for purists who prefer to craft their bases from scratch. All controlled through a sleek digital panel that makes experimenting simple. The Ooni Volt 2 goes on sale October 1st, available in charcoal gray and polar white, priced at £499. The future of home pizza making just got smaller, smarter, and a whole lot tastier. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.